My name is My name is Blaine Yosef Sabria Jr., and I will be explaining my code for assignment 4. So in the beginning here, we are just initializing everything, and so we gotta make these verse variable an empty string integer, and then we might make line number into 1. And because we need to do this to use these in our body of our infinite loop later on. Excuse me. So this while loop right here. The first thing we do inside of the body is just prompt our user with the question, and then for them to input, yes or no, more lines, and that will obviously let us go into the rest of the body of our infinite loop, and with our if else statements. So the if they type yes, if the right here, so if it's equal to yes, the line will just add it to the verse string, and the line number will just increase right here. And this F string on each of these allow us to string and variable inputs. Makes it very easy for us to make it easier for the user to input that. And then but if they insert no, if this is equal to no, the infinite loop will break and it will uh, print the whole song verse. And of course, right here, this else statement, if it's either yes or no, then we'll void them and tell them to put yes or no. We have these. I'm setting this to so it wouldn't be case sensitive. So these yes or no. So they'll be that way. Thank you for yeah. So I think it's yeah. Thank you for I think I explained everything. Thank you for listening to. Uh, thank you for about assignment